Translating English to Tagalog. My computer doesn't work anymore.
Hindi na gumagana ang computer ko.
Do I need to buy a new one?
Kailangan ko na bang bumili ng bago?
Is it worth it?
Sulit ba ito?
Everything is just fine.
Ayos lang ang lahat.
I already forgot everything.
Nakalimutan ko na ang lahat.
He always ignores me.
Lagi niya akong binabalewala.
What time do I need to pick you up?
Anong oras kita kailangang sunduin?
This is not safe.
Hindi ito ligtas.
Do you have an exam tomorrow?
May pagsusulit ka ba bukas?
I wish I had more time.
Sana mayroon pa akong mas maraming oras.
I forgot to lock the door.
Nakalimutan kong ikandado ang pinto.
I thought it was yours.
Akala ko sa'yo yun.
I promise I won't lie to you.
Ipinapangako ko na hindi ako magsisinungaling sa'yo.
Please don't get mad.
Pakiusap, huwag kang magalit.
You can come to my house whenever you want to.
Pwede kang pumunta sa bahay ko kahit kailan mo gusto.
I hope you get well soon.
Sana gumaling ka agad.
These clothes fit you well.
Ang mga damit na ito ay bagay sa'yo.
I can't rely on you anymore.
Hindi na kita maaasahan.
I'm afraid of him, her.
Natatakot ako sa kanya.
I'm going to take a vacation.
Magbabakasyon ako.
There's no hot water.
Walang mainit na tubig.
I don't need your help.
Hindi ko kailangan ng tulong mo.
I can start next week.
Maaari akong magsimula sa susunod na linggo.